What is nature? Nature refers to the physical world around us, including all living things and non-living things. It encompasses everything from the smallest microorganisms to the vastest galaxies. Here are some key aspects of nature. Living things, plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. Non-living things, rocks, water, air, and weather. Processes, natural phenomena like the water cycle, photosynthesis, and volcanic eruptions. Ecosystems, interconnected communities of living organisms and their physical environments. In essence, nature is the totality of the natural world, independent of human influence. It is a complex and interconnected system that supports all life on Earth. Yes, humans are categorized as animals. We are part of the kingdom Animalia, which includes all multicellular organisms that can move and consume organic matter. While we have unique characteristics like complex language, intelligence, and culture, we still share many fundamental biological traits with other animals, such as a cellular structure, reproduction, metabolism, growth, and development. Humans, as explained in the Bible presents a complex and multifaceted view of humans, their nature, and their relationship with God. Here are some key themes: divine likeness, purpose, sin and fall, redemption, and salvation.